Another nice feature of the PlayPosit Chrome extension is the ability to create a screen capture that will upload directly to PlayPosit. Once you click on the Chrome extension, a little window will pop open. You will want to probably check audio so that you can record your audio, and then you can select the microphone source. If you want to record yourself on camera, check that. Otherwise, just make sure that you check screen capture and then click Start. It's going to ask you what you want to record. You can choose from your entire screen or choose the window that you want to record. So I'm going to choose the human anatomy screen, and I'm going to click Share, and a little button will start show you down here. You'll get a little bit of a countdown, and then you'll just start recording, and you can do whatever it is you want to demonstrate on the screen. And then when you're done, you just click on the Stop Sharing button down here. And then it takes you to this little window where you can change the title. And when you do that, you just click on Upload. It'll take a few seconds to upload it to PlayPosit. And once it's uploaded, you click on the orange Edit button, and that'll take you to the bulb in PlayPosit, and then you just add your questions like normal. So it's a great way to create your own screencast and add questions for your students to answer. Hope you found this helpful.